thinking about you.
Oh, okay.
And this one is fucking tough. I wonder if I could just put SV cheats on.
Ready. Let's roll.
Oh, that's why you're an LEM, right?
Yeah, I wonder let's check out the area when we first like take the helicopter and see if there's anything useful over there, like in terms of like where you can have coverage.
Oh, let's
Oh,
go!
yeah, yeah.
That way we can see if we will need to take that tower or if we just should if we should take the tower or if we should run to the medevac area or whatever.
Let's go, let's go!
It's lagging, are you kidding me?
Go to the wall and pick out your weapons of choice. When you're ready, step into the taped-off square to be deployed. One more thing. We're providing you with heavy armor and medical stims.
Why do they have an Australian guy?
More abuse than normal.
Oh, forgot to grab a pistol. Shit. There we go.
Did that hurt you?
Nope.
Okay, good.
I would hope not, because I've been shooting at you pretty often. Alright.
Alright, operators.
So I guess back here, we kind of have them covered back
Swiftly and
here.
decisively, clearing
Is there?
each area of Phoenix
Yeah.
before moving forward.
Like, they could sandwich us, but we could at least kind of watch both sides. Like, there's
Yeah, I guess
trees.
we could get behind this too. Oh, we can get in this trench and keep everything in front of us. Okay, we'll do that.
Alright.
Gotta be all tactical and shit. Like, it's crazy how they just like fire like right away. It's weird. I don't think he spawns until you're really close.
They spawn a lot of bad guys, though, Brand. Oh, you got him?
About his Deeg?
Nah. Alright. The only thing that sucks is the ammo crate that's back there.
Yeah, it doesn't trigger if we go to that tower with the hostage. Are you kidding me?
Ready to go. Two bad guys left.
Dude, he shot me.
Still have one out
Fucking
there.
dick.
Watch out, whoa.
Thanks.
Good work. The perimeter's
There's a
secure.
Galil.
Time to take that compound.
We got 3 left. Down to 2.
Oh shit, there's one. Ah, fuck. There's one behind the tank.
They have to know you're coming for Kincaid. Be careful.
Oh,
They're
there's
going to
a
short their
coin here.
defenses.
There's a what?
Collectible coin acquired.
Wait, where? Where are you?
It was back in this corner.
I'm on one.
Do
Ah.
you see it down there? No?
No. Oh, whatever. I want to take a med shot.
It doesn't heal for 100. It heals for like 50, I think.
Yeah, I took one. Dude, I hear them in the
Oh,
wall.
I hear him running around in there, yeah. What's the door? There it is. Fuck are they? Are they? in this. Actually, no, I'm gonna save it for that one door, the double open door.
Should I flash?
No, save it for the hard enemies. I see him. He's got an AK. He's got an AK. You want me to put him on the map and you can wallbang?
2 tangos left.
Howard. What was that? Oh shit.
That makes 1.
You had a
Oh,
Galil?
he's got an M4. He's got an M4.
Oh, nice.
Oh, this is gonna be that idiot. Remember?
Did he dink
Gate
you?
has to be close. I
Yeah.
wouldn't have a merc like that protect some random door.
Fuck.
You should heal up. Alright. So I need you to let me in, because last time I got
I'll do
Molly.
it right away.
That's Kincaid.
Alright.
There has to be a way to unlock this door from the other side.
You're not with them, are you?
Yeah, that Molotov.
Great job.
Almost a
Now
year.
get the hell out of there.
He's given up.
You gotta wait for him to shoot too over there, by the way. Because I got hit by the M. Oh, you're good.
All of you.
I have spent the past year.
Yeah, because he hit me when I was jumping too, because he aims on that
I
ledge.
know her better than anyone. I can help you stop her.
3 guys left. 2 guys left. We got 1 guy left.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Evac is on its way. Get to the extraction point.
Oh, 100 health is the max. But
Yeah.
Ready to go. That makes 2 left. Only 1 guy left.
You're on the home stretch. Your bird's almost there.
what weapons do they got? I wonder if I should take this off.
Up to you.
Ah, fuck it. Alright, I'm gonna drop a flashbang when these doors open.
Alright.
I need you to open one with me.
Flashbang. Incendiary out.
I gotta find out a blind.
That makes 2 left.
Dude, nice volley.
Oh shit. Got him.
First we killed Turner.
My
now we've
ammo.
extracted
I'm
Yeah, I
gonna
know.
take that for.
I'm
there's
low.
ammo right here.
Things going
I'm
on.
low too.
Okay.
What?
There's one ammo right here. Let's see. Oh, there's a coin. What's up?
Oh, we got 2 of them. Nice. Oh, it shows up for me too. 2 of 3.
I wonder where the third is. I wonder if it's around this area. Well, I already found one over here, so it probably wouldn't be there. What about in this gun? Nope.
I don't even know what it looked like.
Just a spinning T and CT coin.
Oh, there's an SG here. Should I get down to the op?
Yeah, the SG's gonna be awesome. One shot headshot and a scope.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna take the ammo thing then. if you're
Okay.
good.
I don't think there were any more bad guys, right? Until we get to then.
Yeah, not till we trigger that thing.
Should we just run straight for that ditch?
I'm gonna go up to the top of this thing and see if there's medic things.
Oh, that's a good call. I actually need to take one right now.
There's another ammo thing, but no medics.
I'm good on ammo. I got 1 more medic shot.
I have 2.
Alright, which way are we going?
Get ready to guard, because like once they start spawning around here, it'll show a few question marks on the radar. We need to take those guys out quick.
Throwing smoke.
Evac will be there in 60
Nice, I'm
seconds.
in here.
Grenade out.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, did they come in with us?
Incendiary!
30 more seconds and we're home free.
Fire in the hole!
Oh shit.
More seconds.
I'm using my medic thing. Oh shit.
There's the chopper.
Got 4 shots left. I think if you just go to the chopper, we're good, right?
Let's get you home.
Good job, everyone!
You like that, Katie?
Yeah.
Damage taken. No deaths. We didn't get all the coins. Pistols only.
No way.
Hard mode?
Complete no, not doing that either.